3 tips and tricks that can help you be very successful when selling on Amazon in the Middle East. All the information in this video, just keep on watching. In this video, we're gonna go back to basics. Amazon is a fantastic business, and if you want to succeed on Amazon, you always need to be focused. So you're gonna feel, if you are selling on Amazon, you're gonna feel that this video is gonna take you back to basics. However, tips, tricks, hacks, they're always very important whenever you're selling on Amazon, and they're gonna help you expand your business. In this video, 3 tips and tricks. I'm going to classify them into 3 different sections. Number 1 would be product research, number 2 would be suppliers, and number 3 would be my favorite subject, which is listing. But before we get started, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal, I'm an Amazon seller, and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society Middle East. If you want to know how we can help you find the perfect product to sell on Amazon in the Middle East, all you need to do is check the links in the description box below or go to our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. Let's get started with our first tip, product research. A lot of you know that in the UAE and in KSA, we do not have a lot of softwares. We do not have a lot of tools. Be mindful of the fact that these softwares or tools, they are here to help you, to assist you. No software and no tool can tell you exactly what product you should be selling. They can only help you. That's why it's called product research. So you do product research or product hunting in order to find successful products to sell. But with that being said, we don't have a lot of tools because Amazon in the Middle East is a brand new marketplace. It's still not very established. And it takes some time for bigger companies, you know most of them, such as Helium 10, Jungle Scout, Viral Launch. It takes them time in order to set up platforms and be able to give us the information that we want. However, a lot of you ask, can I use product research tools such as Helium 10 and find products that are doing successful sales on Amazon.com and sell those exact products on Amazon in the Middle East? The answer is yes, for sure you can. However, there are a lot of steps for you that you need to follow in order to make sure that that particular product that you found on Amazon.com can actually translate into the marketplace that you are selling in, because it's a completely different marketplace for sure. And the UAE is a very diverse country. However, it is not the same as Amazon.com. So you need to be mindful of that. Most of you know that I am a Helium 10 advisory board member. I'm actually the only person from the Middle East, the first person and the only person currently serving as an advisory board member. So I will be launching a lot of videos about Helium 10 and how you can use Helium 10 to find products on Amazon.com and how these products can translate to the marketplace that you are all selling in, Amazon UAE and Amazon KSA. So if you want to, watch these videos and you want to be notified, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and make sure you hit that notification bell. That's what it's called. So you are notified whenever I upload videos such as the Helium 10 series of videos. And if you are interested, I obviously have a code for Helium 10. It's going to give you 50% discount on your first month, and it's Crystal 50, and you'll find all the links in the description box below. Let's jump to our second trick and hack, and that has to do with suppliers. As you know, ordering a sample, when you do speak to your supplier and you're happy with that product, ordering a sample is something very smart for you to do if you want to at least know what the product you are selling, what is the product that you are selling, what's the quality of that product. However, some suppliers do give you the product for free. Maybe 99% of suppliers do give you the product for free, but you need to pay for shipping. And not only do you need to pay for shipping, It's not a lot, you know, but you need to pay for shipping. But you also need to wait for that product. So it's going to take around 7, maybe 5 days sometimes, but it's going to take around a minimum of 5 to 10 days for that product to arrive. So my hack would be whenever, or actually before you order that sample, just ask your supplier to send you real images for that product as well as video. Suppliers always have those on hand, or they can actually take their mobile phone and, you know, take images of the product. That way you can know for sure if that's the product that you are looking for, rather than having to wait for the sample and spend that money for shipping the sample over to your house. So whenever the supplier sends you those real images, if you are satisfied that, yeah, for sure, that's the product that I want, then you can order a sample. If no, it's completely different from what you had envisioned or what you are looking for, then you can, you know, avoid wasting time and a little bit of money and not order the sample at all. Also, I would suggest, since you are ordering a sample, normally suppliers do have various sizes for their products. So if you are ordering a sample, you might as well order more than one size so that you can decide which size you want to sell, or maybe even figure out a bundle or a variation of that particular product that you were intending to sell. Because you're already ordering a sample anyways, you might as well pay a little bit more and order some additional samples from that particular supplier. I would also suggest that you order different types of products that the supplier actually manufactures. The great thing about suppliers is that basically they manufacture things that are very coherent with each other. So you can figure out how you can expand your business down the line, or you can also figure out ways to bundle that product with things that are very, you know, very similar to each other. That way, you're ordering a sample anyways, so you might as well order some additional products, and you can get some additional ideas for product launches further down the line, or maybe you can create variations, or maybe you can create bundles, all from the same supplier, all while waiting for the same allocated time for that product to arrive. So why not take advantage of the free samples and order several sizes, so you can definitely make sure that the product is exactly, you know, you're selling exactly what you want. Make sure that you use the product. So a sample is meant for you to test, to use, in order to make sure that the quality is exactly what you want. Tip number 3, listings. My favorite subject is everything related to listings. So listings. One of the most important things for you to do is take your time when you are doing keyword research. Keywords are the way that we as sellers tell Amazon that this is the product that we are selling. Otherwise, Amazon are not going to know what we are selling. So take your time, do correct product research and keyword research as well, so you are sure that the keywords that you are putting into your listing are the right keywords that people are using as search terms, so they are using when they are searching for your particular product, as well as they are an indication to Amazon and the Amazon algorithm of what your product is and where they should show it, where it should pop up basically. So those keywords, you're gonna put them in your back-end search terms whenever you create the listing. You're also gonna use those same exact keywords in your title, in your product description, as well as in your bullet points. And you're also gonna be using those keywords whenever you create a PPC ad, whether that be an auto campaign where Amazon are gonna use them for you, or if you want to create a manual campaign. So it's all majorly based around keywords. In the beginning, you're going to see as if keywords are not actually functioning, because in the beginning, when you do list your products, you know, you have no sales velocity, you have no click velocity or click history, you don't have any history on the Amazon platform. So naturally, your products are not going to be on the first page or the second page or third page, or even not on the 5th or 6th page. However, with time, with ads, with the right launching plan, what's going to happen is Amazon are going to rank your products for those particular keywords higher and higher. If you were just to rely on ads and had no keywords in your listings, you're going to have to constantly be doing ads, or else Amazon is not going to index your products correctly. So you need to make sure that your keywords are optimized and you're using them in all the correct ways. And you need to give Amazon some time so they realize exactly the main keywords for your particular product. It takes some time, however, it's worth the wait and it's worth the additional work versus not putting keywords at all. Those are my 3 tips and hacks. Lots more to come. Make sure you share this video with like-minded people so we can grow our community. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.